Riding with your favorite music, podcasts, or even clear calls can totally change the way you enjoy the road. But not all helmet speakers are created equal. Today, I'll share the 5 best Bluetooth helmet speakers that deliver top-notch sound, strong connectivity, and real rider convenience. I'll walk you through what makes each one worth it, along with the pros and cons you need to know before buying. Let's get started. Number 1. Overall best pick, Lexan G1 Motorcycle Bluetooth Headset. I recently tried the Lexan G1 Motorcycle Bluetooth headset, and it delivers more than I expected for the price. The sound quality is loud and clear even at higher speeds, making music and GPS directions easy to follow. I like that it comes with 2 types of mics, so you can choose whichever setup works best for your helmet. The IP67 waterproof rating also gives peace of mind when riding in the rain, and the interchangeable faceplates are a fun bonus for customization. The only downside is that the buttons can feel a bit tricky with thick gloves. Overall, a solid pick for riders wanting reliable Bluetooth helmet speakers. Number 2. My second best pick, Sena 50S Motorcycle Bluetooth Headset. The Sena 50S with Harman Kardon sound is easily one of the best upgrades I've made to my riding gear. The audio quality is crisp and powerful, making both music and intercom conversations clear even at highway speeds. The mesh intercom system is a standout. Connecting with other riders is quick and reliable without constant pairing hassles. I also appreciate the jog dial, which makes control simple to use with gloves on. Battery life is strong enough for long day rides, though it does take a while to fully recharge. If you're serious about communication and premium sound on the road, this headset is worth the investment. Number 3. My third best pick, Motorcycle Helmet Bluetooth Headset. I tested the 10-way motorcycle helmet Bluetooth headset, and it's surprisingly feature-packed for the price. The intercom range of around 2 km works well in open areas, and being able to connect up to 10 riders makes group rides much easier to coordinate. The 40mm speakers provide decent volume and clarity, especially for calls and GPS directions. The option of 2 different mics gives flexibility depending on your helmet type. Battery performance is solid for day-long rides. The downside is that setup takes a bit of patience and the controls aren't as intuitive as higher-end models. Still, it's a budget-friendly choice for riders who want reliable communication on the road. Number 4. My fourth best pick, Sena Outrush Bluetooth Modular Motorcycle Helmet. The Sena Outrush Bluetooth Modular Helmet is a convenient all-in-one option for riders who want safety and communication in one package. The built-in intercom and Bluetooth functions work smoothly, letting you take calls, stream music, or follow GPS directions without extra gear. The modular design makes it easy to flip up the front, which is great for quick stops or conversations. Audio quality is solid for both music and talking at moderate speeds. On the downside, the helmet feels a bit heavier compared to some standalone helmets, which could be noticeable on longer rides. Overall, it's a practical choice for riders wanting comfort, tech, and DOT-certified safety. Number 5. Last but not least, my 5th best pick, Motorcycle Helmet Bluetooth Speakers. I've been using this motorcycle helmet Bluetooth headset, and it's a solid choice for riders who value long battery life and clear audio. With a 1000 mAh battery, it easily lasts for full-day rides without needing a recharge. The HiFi sound and noise cancellation make music and calls much clearer, even with wind and traffic noise around. Installation is straightforward, and the boom microphone picks up your voice well. I also like that it works with gloves, which makes controlling it on the go much easier. The only drawback is that the speakers aren't as loud at highway speeds. Still, for the price, it's a reliable and rider-friendly headset. That's a wrap. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and smart product picks every week. Got a favorite Bluetooth helmet speakers? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're riding with.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.